make money performing a social media jobs. This 21,000 naira is just made in one day just by liking people's posts, commenting, sharing, and engaging in other people's social media accounts. Then you get paid using this platform called Hawkit. So if you are interested, you can give it a try. I will also withdraw to show you that this platform is 100% legit. So what you need to do is to go to your browser and type in hawkit.ng and use my invite code to get a bonus, Glory54, to get a bonus. This platform all about pays you to perform social media jobs, posting WhatsApp on your status, posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Alright, you can also earn in many ways also by reselling other people's products and services on this platform. You can see other people's products. You can click on resell button here, then you get your link and promote this on your social media platform to make more money. You do not need any money upfront to start. All you need is to create an account and verify it with just 1,000 naira. Then you are good to go. You will see this, congratulations, you are now a member. Then you start having access to the platform and withdraw your money. So right now I want to place a withdrawal. I have an account here, but I want to show you how to put in your enable your account details on this platform. You click here. Once you click on it, then you select the bank that you want to input, then input it. Like now I want to use Wema Bank. I want this money to go to Wema Bank. Then you enter the account details. After you click on it, you click on verify. A code will be sent to your email to confirm. Then you go and copy it and come and paste it here. You see the name has come. Then you click on update. Then you click on continue after you have copied the code sent to your email. Now that your bank have been verified, all you need to do is to click on the arrow button here and go back. Then you place your withdrawal. I want to withdraw 21,000 naira. Then after that, you enter your password. Your charge will be 27 naira. You can see it's 77 naira. Then you click on withdraw now. Another code will be sent to your email to confirm your withdrawal. Go to your email, copy it, and come here and paste it and click on continue. After that, you will see your withdrawal transaction is successful. Then you go back to your, and you can see that the money have reduced. You can see today's date. Then 21,000 naira, you can see is awaiting process. By tomorrow, within 24 hours, this money will be in my bank. And you can see all the countless withdrawal I have made on this platform. You can see I'm scoring is still going on. So if you found this video helpful, like and share. Like I said, go to your browser and type in hawkit.ng and use my invite code Glory54 to get a bonus after you have registered and verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Then you will have access to this dashboard and say congratulations, you are now a member. Like and share if you are looking for a way to make
subscribe
money.
To my channel.
Also share to 10 of your friends who you know that is looking for a legit way to make money right from the comfort of your home, working with their smartphone. This platform is not bring one person to get paid. You make your money, you withdraw it at any time. Within 24 hours, the money has been paid to your account. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to my channel, follow me if you're watching on TikTok and other social media, and also check out the description of this video for other necessary apps that pays you to go live, to chat with lonely people, and to make money. All these platforms, many of them are for free, and some are you just put 1,000 naira, 500 naira, and you start making money. Ciao, see you on my next video. Peace.